Welcome to the study of social science. This is the fourth video lecture of the first chapter of Civics Power Sharing for class 10. And the topic is why power sharing is desirable. In this chapter till now we have discussed the case studies of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. We saw that both countries had a diverse population and both countries faced ethnic problems. While Sri Lanka failed to accommodate its ethnic problems, the Belgian government accommodated its ethnic problems successfully by power sharing in different manner. Thus we consider that power sharing is necessary for a diverse nation to accommodate its social diversities. And this is the aim of this chapter, power sharing, to make us know why is power sharing necessary or why is power sharing desirable. Thus the reason why power sharing is necessary can be explained in two sets, the prudential reasons and the moral reasons. Prudential means something reasonable or wisely selected. Prudential reasons are the reasons which tell us that power sharing is reasonable or necessary for a society or a country. Moral reasons are based on moral consideration. Let's talk about prudential reason first. The very first prudential reason is power sharing reduces the possibility of conflicts between the social groups. We know that in each society we have many communities based on different religions, different castes or different languages. Sometimes people who belong to the majority community start dominating or harming the minorities. This domination can cause conflict and disharmony in society. As we saw what happened in Sri Lanka, Sinhalese, the majority of Sri Lanka, dominated minorities and the struggle between two communities got violent and soon turned into a civil war in Sri Lanka. On the other hand, we found that Belgian government accommodated its ethnic problems successfully by sharing the political power in different manner. This power sharing necessary to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. The second prudential reason is power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. As we know that if government work in favor of the majority and ignore minorities' views, or if every community in country does not get treated equally due to the lack of power sharing, then discrimination against minority can lead to violence and increases the risk of political instability in a country. Political instability means disturbance in the political system or a situation in which the government would not function properly or the economy might collapse in a country. Thus, power sharing in the political system is a good way to respect the feelings of every community in a country and ensure the stability of political order. The third prudential reason is power sharing maintains the unity of the nation. Lack of power sharing not only increases the chances of confliction between the majority and minority, but also damages the unity and the progress of the country. When power sharing is adopted by a democratic country, both the majority and minorities' views are taken into account. The people of all communities are more satisfied with the government, and the government can function smoothly to achieve the progress and the unity of the nation. Let's talk about moral reasons of power sharing. The first moral reason is power sharing is a very spirit of democracy. Suppressing the minorities by the majority is against the spirit of democracy. A country is a democratic country when democratic principles are adopted. There would be a kind of arrangement in which all the people of different groups, either majority or minorities, are being treated equally. And everyone must have a role in decision making. Each person must get the opportunity to say what they think. And for all this, it is necessary to share political power in different manner in a country. The second moral reason is, in democracy, people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people, or for the people. Thus, people must be consulted for how to be governed. If this won't be there, then it cannot be considered a democracy or a federal government. At last, all I can say, if the political power is concentrated in one or a few hands, it will be not useful for overall development of the country. In short, prudential reasons are power sharing reduces the possibility of conflicts between the social groups. It is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. It maintains the unity of the nation. Moral reasons are power sharing is a very spirit of democracy. In democracy, people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. This is all about why power sharing is desirable. In our next video lecture, we will discuss the different forms of power sharing. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.